Enterprise Management 360.
Lovely. I'm joined now by Steve. Thank you very much for taking the time to talk to me. I first of all want to get an overview from yourself about what Zerto is doing at the moment and what you're kind of looking forward to.
Yeah, so most people know Zerto for disaster recovery. It's the key product that we've offered always, and how we entered the marketplace back in 2011 with our first product launch. But actually we've made a lot of changes within the product since then, where actually we have more use cases than just disaster recovery. So we've added last year long-term retention, which starts actually giving you the capability to remove the need for a separate backup tool. That's been a big change for us. And we've also got mobility, which is a huge thing for us, particularly when you're talking about cloud mobility. Everyone's adopting a cloud strategy these days, and that's key to getting the best out of those strategies. And that's all in a single platform. So where traditionally you have, as I say, separate software installed for each of those elements or hardware, to manage those with Zerto, you install one platform. Regardless of how you use it and what your use cases are, you deploy it exactly the same. So simplicity is key to everything that we're doing from that standpoint. And ultimately, like I said, the key thing there is it's a Zerto IT resilience platform where we're solving more than just the unplanned, which is the traditional, what most people know Zerto for, as I say, but the planned as well, which is, again, key to your IT resilience.
Excellent. Okay, so if we kind of move on from that and expand a little bit further to talk about how's the industry shifting in regards to this whole moving from a pure prevention cybersecurity mindset to one of full cyber resilience?
No, it's a great question. Obviously, I guess the key driver to this is really around how the likes of ransomware is changing, people's perception of security, and really it's driving from not if you get attacked, but when you get attacked. And historically, a lot of people have overlooked, well, actually, how do we recover in the event that we have been attacked with minimal damage to the business? And the focus has traditionally been more on how do we prevent an attack in the first place. And that bit is absolutely key, needs to remain, and you need to be as clear cut on that as possible. But actually having the ability to recover in the event of an attack is key to your business, essentially the most protection that you can have. And really Zerto's belief on that, traditionally people, when they're hit by ransomware, for example, they recover from backup. Typically with backups, it has an impact on production, and therefore you only take a backup on a nightly basis. With Zerto, we deliver a continuous protection mechanism where we are continuously protecting your workloads and creating checkpoints every few seconds. And that's the point in time you can recover to. And we believe that's the only way that you can actually truly recover from ransomware with the minimal impact on your business. And that's not just from data loss, which we all know data's money today, but also brand reputation. There's something in the news every week about someone being hit by a cyber attack, and it does untold damage to the business.
Yeah, very true. Steve, thank you very much for taking the time to explain that to us and walk us through that process. Thank you.
Thank you very much.